If somebody has anxiety about entering the car wash, what's one tip they can focus on right now to alleviate that?
What I would focus on is the person bringing you in. Whoever's bringing you in, they're knowledgeable and they're gonna make sure you're right lined up where you need to be. Don't try to look at the rails, just focus to what they're telling you to do and you'll be perfectly fine. We got it from there. Left-hand side, driver's side, pay attention to that guy.
It's very clear. Look at that, boom. Look at that, well done. I'm giving you a 10 out of 10 on entry.
Thank you.
Well done.
Control.
Thank you for the clear guidance.